Paris isn't just a city, it's an experience, a dream woven into every street, every cafe, every monument. But with so much to see and do, where do you even start? Before we dive in, this video has no paid promotions. Everything you'll hear comes directly from our own experiences in Paris and the excellent customer service we received through parisdiscounttours.com for sightseeing and parisdiningreservations.com for meals. We only recommend what genuinely made our Paris trip unforgettable. Now, let's get into the 10 things you absolutely must do in the City of Light. Number 10, climb the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower isn't just an icon, it's an initiation into Paris itself. Standing beneath it, you realize just how massive and detailed it really is. Going up, whether by elevator or stairs, gives you an entirely new perspective, from the orderly Champ de Mars below to the rooftops stretching to the horizon. Booking through parisdiscounttours.com helps secure a timed entry so you skip the long lines. Trust me, sunset views from the top will stay with you forever. Number 9, take a Seine river cruise at night. Paris by day is charming, but Paris by night is pure magic. A Seine river cruise floats you past Notre-Dame, the Louvre, and the Eiffel Tower as they're lit up against the evening sky. The city sparkles like no other place in the world. We booked ours through parisdiscounttours.com, and it was seamless. Pro tip, go just after dusk so you catch both the glow of sunset and the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower. Number 8, explore Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur. Montmartre feels like a village frozen in time. Its cobblestone lanes once inspired artists like Picasso and Van Gogh, and you can still feel that creative spirit in the air. Climb the steps to Sacré-Cœur Basilica for sweeping views of Paris, then wander down through lively squares filled with painters, cafes, and street musicians. This neighborhood is best explored slowly, with no agenda. Let the charm surprise you. Number 7, visit the Louvre. The Louvre isn't just a museum, it's practically a city of art within the city of Paris. With more than 35,000 works on display, it can feel overwhelming the moment you step inside its vast halls. Everyone makes a beeline for the Mona Lisa, but the real magic lies in the quieter corners. Statues from ancient Greece, treasures of ancient Egypt, Renaissance masterpieces, and Islamic art that stretches across centuries. Without guidance, it's easy to get lost in the maze of galleries. That's why booking a guided tour through parisdiscounttours.com is such a smart choice. A knowledgeable guide doesn't just show you the highlights. They weave stories that bring the artworks to life and help you understand how they connect to Paris's history and the wider world. In just a few hours, you'll experience more than most visitors manage in an entire day. Number 6, picnic at Luxembourg Gardens. After exploring Paris's museums and monuments, sometimes the most Parisian thing you can do is slow down. The Luxembourg Gardens, with their manicured lawns, fountains, and tree-lined paths, offer a slice of peace right in the heart of the city. On sunny afternoons, you'll see Parisians reading books in green chairs, children sailing toy boats across the Grand Bassin, and artists sketching statues that have stood for centuries. The best way to experience it is with a simple picnic. Grab a fresh baguette, some creamy cheese, and a bottle of wine from a local market, and find a spot beneath the chestnut trees. It's a reminder that in Paris, the small pleasures, a quiet bench, good food, and a view of blooming flowers, are just as magical as the grand attractions. Quick tip to make your Paris trip easier. We don't do paid promos. Everything we recommend is from our own experience. For tours and skip-the-line tickets, parisdiscounttours.com made things seamless. And for those tough-to-book restaurants, parisdiningreservations.com came through every time. Both can save you time and stress in the city. Number 5, dine like a Parisian. Paris isn't just a city you see, it's a city you taste. Every neighborhood has its own rhythm, from the polished elegance of Michelin-starred dining rooms to the cozy charm of family-run bistros hidden down quiet lanes. A simple lunch of steak frites with a glass of Bordeaux can feel like an event, while a carefully crafted tasting menu might take you on a culinary journey across France. The one thing that can trip visitors up: reservations. In Paris, they're more than polite, they're essential. That's where parisdiningreservations.com became invaluable. They helped us secure tables at places we'd never have dreamed of getting into, ensuring that every meal became a highlight. Whether you're craving a rustic French onion soup or a dazzling 8-course adventure, Paris rewards those who plan ahead with flavors you'll never forget. Number 4. Day trip to Versailles. Just beyond the city limits lies one of the most extraordinary palaces in the world, Versailles. From the gilded Hall of Mirrors to the endless gardens where fountains leap to life in the summer sun, Versailles is a place where history and grandeur collide. But make no mistake, Versailles is massive, and the sheer scale can be overwhelming. Without a plan, you risk losing time in crowds or wandering aimlessly. Booking a half-day or full-day tour with ParisDiscountTours.com made all the difference, taking care of the train transfers, securing priority entry, and providing a guide who brought the palace's dramatic stories to life. With context, Versailles transforms from a beautiful backdrop into a vivid chapter of French history. Number 3. Discover Notre-Dame and Ile de la Cité. Notre-Dame may still be in the process of restoration after the fire, but it remains the beating heart of Paris. Its flying buttresses, stone towers, and delicate details are as awe-inspiring as ever, and standing before it feels like standing face to face with centuries of devotion and craftsmanship. But don't stop at the cathedral alone. Explore Ile de la Cité, the island where Paris itself was born. Wander the cobblestone streets, watch the Seine flow from the bridges, and treat yourself to a scoop of Bertillon ice cream, a Parisian favorite. There's something remarkable about pausing here, in the very cradle of the city, surrounded by history on every side. Number 2. Musée d'Orsay. If the Louvre represents Paris's scale and grandeur, Musée d'Orsay embodies its soul. Housed in a breathtaking former train station, this museum holds the world's greatest collection of Impressionist and post-Impressionist art. Standing before Monet's water lilies, Renoir's dancers, or Van Gogh's swirling skies, you don't just look at paintings, you feel Paris itself, captured in light and color. The museum is popular, and lines can be long, which is why booking a skip-the-line pass through ParisDiscountTours.com is a smart move. And if you opt for a guided tour, you'll walk away with a deeper appreciation of how these artists change the way the world sees beauty. Number 1. Simply walk the streets of Paris. And finally, the number 1 thing you must do in Paris is the simplest of all: just walk. Let the city unfold around you without a map or a strict plan. Cross the Seine as the sun rises, wander through Le Marais with its hidden courtyards and chic boutiques, or follow the left bank past secondhand bookshops and cafes where writers once lingered. Pause for a pastry, step into a quiet church, or sit at a cafe terrace with nothing but time. Paris reveals itself best when you let curiosity lead the way. No ticket, no reservation, just you, your footsteps, and the endless charm of the City of Light. So there you have it, 10 things you must do in Paris, from bucket list icons to quiet, unforgettable moments. Again, this isn't a sponsored video. We just had excellent experiences using ParisDiscountTours.com for tours and ParisDiningReservations.com for dining, and we recommend them because they made our trip smooth and stress-free. If you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe, drop a comment with your own Paris tips, and share this video with someone planning their dream trip. Until next time, bon voyage.